Alright, what's going on, y'all? Just quick update here on some parts that I got in. Just wanted to show y'all here some additional parts that I've got in since I haven't been working on the car lately. Only because, one, the weather. Then I started kind of getting work back on it again. And then I'm just uploading whenever you see this, another video in regards to my truck. My truck broke down the other day, and so I've been battling trying to fix that, and it's still down. So I've just ordered some parts actually here for the truck. A whole new front cover gasket set, front seal and all, and some bolts as well. So that front cover, I don't know if that front seal has ever been replaced, but I guess they're pretty problematic and leaking from the coolant passages. And that's exactly where it's leaking on mine. And these bolts here that hold on the front cover that actually bolt in by the coolant passages actually rust and corrode over time, and it ends up not sealing as good as it should. And so I figure since everything else is apart, I might as well just fix that. So, and it's leaking anyway. So anyways, and I have the rear tank out as well too. So to replace the fuel pump because I think it has a fuel issue. So anyways, on to the Chevelle. So along with all these parts here that you see that I haven't done anything with yet, I got some new parts. So ordered some LS7 lifters. Here's a part number there, I believe. They're Johnson lifters. They're actually recommended by my tuner that does my bench tuning, and they're cross-reference the number. You can cross-reference it with the GM number and a couple other numbers as well, but they're LS7 lifters here. So got these. I think they're about, I don't know, $100 or something like that. So upgrading the lifters there. This is the same fuel pump that I used in my Caprice. It's the Melling M295. It's their what is it? I don't want to say they're entry level, but it's the step below the high volume one. So, but from my understanding, these particular pumps actually flow or a little bit better than the normal LS stock oil pumps, especially the truck pumps. So that's what I heard, to my understanding anyway. And so I ended up getting this one again. I think this one was only, last time I bought this, it was like almost $100 or maybe more. This time I got it for like 50, or I want to say. So that was a good buy. And then I needed some mineral spirits, so I ordered some more. This is phenomenal for cleaning and degreasing and getting everything off and getting everything clean before you put it all together. Takes off oil, whatever, what have you, all that stuff. And I actually use this and spray it on there and wipe it down before I paint. Phenomenal. So I ended up getting some more of that. And this box here didn't open, but I got this off eBay. It is actually a stock truck power steering bracket that also has the alternator and the power steering pump. And I got it because I needed the pump, not the bracket, but he was selling it all together, and it was only like $29. And so I didn't want to battle with going to the junkyard and trying to find one and whatnot. And so I ended up getting that off eBay, sent it to me for $29. So hopefully it works and everything's good on it. And that is pretty much it, y'all. So I got all these parts here that I got to get sorted out. Cam, master cylinder, insulation, some parts I've cleaned. I still got to take the heads apart, order my springs and all that stuff, man. So got some stuff ahead of me. I still got to paint the console. I still got to get the GTO logos done. Waiting to hear back from a buddy on that. My dash is under that table, or that piece of paper. Got the speedometer cluster I got to attach back to that. I got a lot of stuff going on, a lot of stuff. So anyways, that's another part update here. Again, once I get this truck together, then you'll be seeing more of the 6.0 build in the Chevelle. So All right, y'all. I'll holla and peace out.